What's up, y'all? See what's in my hand. See where we at.
Yep.
What's up, auto owners? Man, I hope y'all having a great day. It's hot out here. For the ones in that office reviewing this video, soak up a little AC for me, right? To repair this one, we're gonna have to unseal these and these. First, I want to start off. As you see here, these are damaged. They weren't missing last time. Now they are. To properly end up repairing that whole section, you're gonna have to go into that hip, which is gonna cause you to go into the other side of the slope for the underlayment, right? Same at the very top. To go over to the other side, we'd have to rip into the ridge shingles up there and into the other side a good bit due to underlayment issues, things like that. So we're just gonna prove this ain't repairable. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna be very gentle. I'm gonna work towards getting it to pass. So we'll see, okay? First, I gotta unseal these. So we'll start right here. As you see, I'm being pretty gentle. It is, I believe it is tearing a little bit. Ooh, right, show that right there. You see, I'm being gentle. I'm not being difficult. I don't have it. My curb bar is not that big. I mean,
oh, there it goes again.
Yeah, it's just pretty.
Very brittle.
Yeah. Just gonna keep tearing. That might work. Ooh, I'll show that right there. This one's torn. It actually goes into the hip. I'm gonna hope we can get lucky. Yeah, it tore right there too. I'm gonna hope we can get lucky and just this thing's probably too big. Hope we can get lucky and just get it with that. I don't want to tear into that hip. So we gotta do the next ones too. Hey, look at that. That one's all nice.
109 out here today, y'all. 109.
Hey, these are coming undone. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Now we do have to locate the nails, right? So I'm gonna have to lift the shingle up a little bit. I'm gonna try not to a lot. It's pretty hot out here, like you said, 109. Shingles are most flexible. Obviously when it's hot like this, right? As you see the grains falling, you read it right there.
Yep.
As you see, shingles are most pliable and they're most flexible during hot weather, right? Right there. Here's things. I hate to do this, y'all. I'm just compromising this roofing more, but last time I didn't see it all the way through. One of y'all's adjusters yelled at me. So, you see it all the way through. It is hot. These shingles are. They're brittle, but they're definitely flexible. That one did real. They're definitely flexible, and these nails are definitely 2,000 degrees right now in my hand. Ooh. That's hot. As you see, I'm not lifting too high, but I do gotta get the nail, you know? Gotta get the nail. Gotta get the nail. You saw that one rip?
Yep.
Like I said, I'm not lifting it that high, but you do gotta get the nails. This is honestly probably one of the most brutal roofs I've been on in a while.
Thank God for this flat part of it.
Yeah. Killed them. A little hot.
Gabriel climbed up this thing like a spider.
So Gabriel's a dog. As you see, the mat transfer right. It's pretty brittle. It's hard to get it undone. See it?
Yup.
So the mat transfer. I'm not lifting it up high. Where's my shoe?
Over here.
Sweet Jesus, this was hot. Oh, son of a. Oh, man. I'm tired of this hot. You can already see this one creasing.
Mm-hmm.
Creasing right there, creasing right there, they're ripping. No. All right, here we go.
It's like little sprinkles coming down off the roof.
Yeah. Party. I can't wait to hear it's beginning to look a lot like
I can't wait to look at the forecast and it say like 80
can't wait till it's a hurricane.
for real.
Yeah, love that. Man, like you have bits and pieces of this whole roof coming off if I did all the repairs. This ain't safe. Started out with my mama. I can't hear what you saying. Am I right? Is this hung right now? Oh, it is. That's all the grains falling. There's still some hanging on down there. Man, there's all right here. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
You see it right here. Creased. Ripped. This one, I think crease is bad be on that far side. I don't think this one ripped any. Still got mat transfer. I want you to get that right there. Right. Sorry. Right here. Right here. This one creased right there. Get those closer to the ribs. Get that rib right there. Get that rib right there where I couldn't even unsell the whole shingle. As you look right here, creased, failed. Go up here to the mat transfer. So mat transfer affects resealability. If you look right here, do you see that crease right there? See that line going from there to there? It's starting to crease. A little crease, right? Not a lot, but a little. Mat transfer affects the resealability. Here's what's gonna happen, right? These shingles aren't gonna reseal. This tropical storm headed this way this weekend. Let's snatch these shingles off. Right there, resealability. On this one, creased, So that one as well, back transfer. But all in all, it's failed, right? I do want you to come here as well, right? So to repair these right here, now you're looking at doing this, and you're getting into these, tearing into these, right? 4 to 6 inches is how on each side. So now we're getting into this, right? And now just from placing them going up, by the time you do 2, you damage them. Now you're tearing into these. Next thing you know, you're literally messing with now you're tearing into all this, right? And then as you tear into this, now this goes into that. Same with the top, the underlayment. I can't use some new materials. The repair test failed, y'all. I do a lot of them, so I try to be gentle. If they pass, right? Saves time, but they did fail. A lot of damage up here. We're just asking y'all to take care of Mr. Welch. We'll take care of Mr. Welch for y'all. We're gonna go and get this sent in. If you have any more questions or anything like that, please let us know, right? We'd definitely be more than glad to work with y'all, okay? Sweet.